Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're signed in and ready. Open settings and go straight to board and pieces. Once there, choose whether you're editing for web or mobile because options differ slightly. Make sure your account is the active one if you use multiple logins. You'll see presets at the top. Start by selecting a preset to get a baseline, then make targeted adjustments rather than changing everything at once so you can compare quickly. Now customize the visual options. Pick a board theme and a matching piece set because contrast matters for clarity. Once chosen, adjust coordinates and piece size if you need bigger pieces or cleaner margins. Turn on or off move highlights and legal move indicators to suit your playstyle. Use the preview pane to test different combinations. If something feels busy, reduce colors or switch to a minimalist set to improve focus and readability. Finish by saving or applying your configuration so settings attach to your account. Once done, make sure the same account is logged in on other devices to sync changes. Update the app if sync fails. If your board still looks wrong, clear browser cache or app cache and reload. Sometimes stale files prevent new themes from appearing. As a last resort, reinstall the app and check chess. COM support if the problem continues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.